So me, I'm trying to replace, like, whenever I'm aware na I'm on my socials,
Yeah.
like, I try to, like, switch it with either listening to an audiobook or playing, like, Switch games.
Okay.
So that's what I do.
That's
And
good.
then rarely, when I wake up, I just start getting ready for gym. My first few hours is just really self-care.
That's good.
Healthy routine.
Yeah.
Perfect. Uy, mo comment rabi ko sakto tarungan mga tao mo.
Wala man sa imong comments, nasa imong noun.
It has subtitles.
Subtitles, exactly. Like, I don't know if you're really genuinely.
Like, mao ba? Parang yun, you say that like, healthy routine, perfect. Pare mo na kay, mao ba? Mao ba gid na?
Exactly. Tingnan lagi ka mo translated now.
Oh, usahay di ay kay parts ako ang morning kay magmaoy.
Huh?